students, let us continue with our lesson number 2, how the dog found himself a new master in our English subject. In the previous video, I have explained the lesson and also we have discussed about the new words and the question and answers. Okay, now working with the text in this part, exercise A, that's the question and answers that we have solved, right? Okay, now today we will start with exercise B, that fill in the blanks to complete the paragraph. Okay, let us solve from the textbook. Okay, exercise B, a summary of the story is given below. Here the summary of the story is given. Now fill in the blanks to complete it, taking appropriate phrases from the box. You have to take the phrases from this box and complete the story, the summary of the story. Okay, now this is the story of blank. This is the story about a dog. The first answer is a dog who used to be blank. Who used to be blank. So, who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master blank. उस डॉग ने एक ऐसा मास्टर ढूंढने को डिसाइड किया कि जो उससे स्ट्रांग हो. He decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. First he found blank wolf. First he found a wolf. But the wolf was afraid of blank. Wolf किससे डरता था? Bear से. The wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was blank. तो wolf bear से डरता था तो dog ने ऐसा सोचा कि bear ही है जो सबसे strongest है. The dog thought that the bear was the strongest of all. And after some time, the dog met a lion who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time, and one day he realized that the lion was afraid of a man. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Okay, now working with language. Question A. Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of. For example, a herd of cows refers to many cows. It indicates the collective nouns, as a group of words is a large number of nouns, things or persons or animals. Now complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. Here there are some words in the box given. They indicated the collective noun that we have learnt in the grammar period, right? In the types of nouns. Okay, now first one is a blank of ships. Here ships, the group of ships, which word is used for group of ships? As fleet, a fleet of ships. Second, a bunch of flowers, bunch of flowers. Third, a blank of chicks, brood, a brood of chicks. Fourth, a blank of cattle, herd, a herd of cattle. The word which is used for the group of cattle is herd. Fifth number, a blank of sticks, bundle, a bundle of sticks. A blank of sheep, a flock of sheep. A blank of fish, school of fish. A blank of wolves, pack of wolves. These words indicates a large number of the people, thing or animals. Question B. Make nouns from the words given below by adding an ESS or ITY. For some words we need to just TY or only Y. We have to make noun from these words by adding an ESS or ITY. First is honest. Honest, we have to make noun by adding some words. So we add here ty only y to make it noun. Honest, honesty. Kind, kindness. Cruel, cruelty. Just see which words are added, which words words are NESS or TY or Y is added in the word that you have to mind. Okay, cruel, cruelty. Calm, calmness. Sad, sadness. Here NESS is added. Active, activity. Here ITY is added. Creative, creativity. Here instead of EITY is added. Sincere, sincerity. Cheerful, cheerfulness. Here NESS is added. Bitter, bitterness. NESS. Sensitivity, sensitive, sensitivity. Here ITY is added. Great, greatness. Here NESS is added. To make the noun from the words, the NESS and ITY is added in the word. Now see word search. There are 12 words hidden in this table. In this table there are 12 words hidden. 6 can be found horizontally and remaining 6 vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy, etc. And it means the adjectives are hidden in the table that describing like good and happy. The first letters of the words are given below horizontally and vertically. Horizontally means in this sleeping line and vertically means in the standing part. Okay, now we have to find the words describing words. The first words are given here. Okay, horizontally H, HASDY, hasty, H. Now with R, the word start with R is READY, ready. The word start with F, here is FIERCE, fierce. Now again the word start with F, here frightened. Now start with G, here GOOD, good. Now vertically we have to find the words as start with A as angry, ANGRY, angry. Start with W, worse, WORSE, worse. Start with S is SURPRISED, surprised. Start with F is FREE, free. Start with L is LOYAL, loyal. And start with Q is QUIET, quite. Okay. Now question D. Read the following passage and do the exercises that follow, and then complete the family tree of dogs given on the facing page. We have to read the paragraph and answer these questions and complete the table family tree of dogs according to this paragraph. Okay, let's start. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivores. Here carnivores means what? Flesh eating animals, right? So the dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivores, a large group of intelligent flesh eating backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bears, pandas, raccoons, cats. Here raccoons means raccoons is a grayish brown American mammal that has fox-like face with a black mask and ringed tail. Now cats, hyenas and even seal. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, foxes, coyotes, jackals and wild dogs. ये जो डॉग फैमिली है उसमें कई वाइल्ड एनिमल्स की कई जातियां हैं, जैसे कि वुल्स, फॉक्स, coyotes, jackals and wild dogs. The dog is only domesticated member of the canine family, though now and then someone tames a wolf, fox or coyote as pet. Now dog जो है इट इज़ द ओनली डोमेस्टिकेटेड मेंबर ऑफ द कैनिन फैमिली, कैनिन फैमिली का जो डोमेस्टिकेटेड मेंबर है. तो नाउ एंड देन समवन टेम्स अ वुल्फ, फॉक्स एंड कॉयोट एज पैट. और कभी कभी जो वुल्फ है, फॉक्स है और कॉयोट है, जो वन टाइप ऑफ एनिमल, उसे भी एज अ पैट रखा जाता था. ऑल मेंबर्स ऑफ द डॉग फैमिली आर डिसेंडेंट्स ऑफ अ वुल्फ लाइक एनिमल. जो डॉग फैमिली के जो मेंबर्स है आर डिसेंडेंट ऑफ वुल्फ लाइक एनिमल. तो वो जो वुल्फ लाइक एनिमल, जो वुल्फ के जैसा एनिमल था, उसके वंशज है, विच लिव्ड अबाउट 15 मिलियन ईयर्स अगो. फ्रॉम दिस डिस्टेंट एंसेटर द ट्रू डॉग ग्रेजुअली डेवलप्ड. और ये जो एंसेटर मीन्स पूर्वज, द ऑपोजिट ऑफ डिसेंडेंट्स. डिसेंडेंट्स मीन्स उसके वंशज और एंसेटर्स मीन्स पूर्वज. तो फ्रॉम दिस डिस्टेंस एंसेटर द ट्रू डॉग्स ग्रेजुअली डेवलप्ड. और इसी पूर्वज से जो डॉग्स है वो डेवलप्ड हुए हैं. बट नोबडी नोज द एग्जैक्ट एंसेटर ऑफ द मॉडर्न डोमेस्टिक डॉग. पर अभी के जो मॉडर्न डोमेस्टिक डॉग्स है उनके जो पूर्वज है वो कौन है, वो एग्जैक्टली कोई नहीं जानता. सेवरल वाइल्ड डॉग्स लुक्स एंड बिहेव लाइक डोमेस्टिक डॉग्स. कुछ जो वाइल्ड डॉग्स है वो ऐसे बिहेव करते हैं और ऐसे लगते हैं जैसे कि वो डोमेस्टिक डॉग्स है. द डिंगो और वाइल्ड डॉग ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज़ वन ऑफ दिस. जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के जो वाइल्ड डॉग है जिसका नाम डिंगो है, वो भी ऐसा ही लगता है. वो वाइल्ड है बट डोमेस्टिक डॉग के जैसा लगता है. इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट द डिंगो वॉज टैम्ड डॉग ब्रॉट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया लॉन्ग एगो विच देन रैन वाइल्ड. जो कि पॉसिबल हो सकता है. इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट द डिंगो वॉज टैम्ड डॉग ब्रॉट टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. वो एक टैम्ड पेट डॉग था जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया लाया गया लॉन्ग एगो, बहुत समय पहले, एंड विच देन रैन वाइल्ड. डॉग्स वर द फर्स्ट एनिमल्स टैम्ड बाय ह्यूमंस. जो ह्यूमंस के द्वारा टैम्ड मीन्स ट्रेन करना और पालना. तो ह्यूमंस के द्वारा पाला गया ये जो डॉग्स है वो फर्स्ट एनिमल था. परहैप्स 20,000 ईयर्स अगो टैम्ड डॉग्स वर ब्रॉट फ्रॉम एशिया टू द न्यू वर्ल्ड 5,000 और मोर ईयर्स अगो, एंड डॉग्स वर फर्स्ट यूज्ड फॉर hunting. Now we have to find the opposites of these words in the text above. We have to find out the opposites of these words. As ancestor, ancestor means जो पूर्वज होते हैं उसे ancestor कहा जाता है. और descendant, this is the descendant means वंशज, जो opposite of the ancestor. Wild means जंगली और tame means पालतू. Ancient means पुराना और modern means आधुनिक. Near नज़दीक, distance means दूर. Suddenly means gradually. These are the opposites of these words. Now complete the following sentences. The dingo is blank. Dingo is a wild animal. Dogs were blank animal tamed by humans. Dog were the first animals tamed by humans, and the other animals tamed by humans are, जो डॉग था वो फर्स्ट वाइल्ड एनिमल, जो फर्स्ट एनिमल था जो कि ह्यूमंस के द्वारा वो पाला जाता था. और जो अदर एनिमल्स है लाइक हॉर्सेस, एलिफेंट्स, डोंकीज, काउस, बुलॉक्स एक्सेट्रा. ओके, नाउ द न्यू वर्ल्ड रिफर्स टू ब्लैंक. डॉग्स वर ब्रॉट फ्रॉम एशिया. जो न्यू वर्ल्ड जिसे कहा जाता है वो उसका नाम है अमेरिका, कि जहाँ से डॉग वर ब्रॉट देयर फ्रॉम एशिया. Now here is a family tree of dogs. They are carnivores. They are flesh-eating animals. Here the first is seal, raccoon, hyena. The first letters are given, and we have to find out the names from the paragraph that I have done here. You just try to do it yourself. Seal, raccoon, hyena, dog, or here say canine family. Now panda, bear, Okay, in the canine family, wild and domesticated animals. Wild animals are wolf, fox, coyote, and jackal, and wild dogs. All these animals belong to the cat dog family. Okay, students, now you have to write all the solved exercise in your notebook from your textbook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.